Good morning to all my dear students. I am Kamar Kumar. This is the first class of Internet and Java programming language. Java is a internet-based programming language developed by James Gosling about the year 1991-92. Initially, its name was not Java. Initially, it is called OAK. OAK. The Green Project team consists of James Gosling, Guy Steele, Bill Joy, Frank Allen, Patrick Norton, Richard Truck, Arthur Van Hoff, and some other colleague. The original name of the platform independent programming language was not Java as it is called today. It was originally called OAK by James Gosling, one of the inventor of this programming language. Java is a true object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling. The copyrights of this programming language by Sun Microsystem. It is an internet-based programming language. We know that every programming language have a compiler or interpreter. Java is an exceptional programming language where compiler and interpreter both are used. The Java compiler converts the source program into bytecode, that is called intermediate code, and the interpreter converts these intermediate code into bytecode. So Java is a exceptional programming language, or Java is a programming language which is called write once, run anywhere. So it is called platform independent programming language. The syntax of Java programming language are similar to C and C++. The features of object-oriented programming language like class, object, constructor, function overloading. In Java, functions are called methods. So compared to C++, here method overloading are used. Method overloading is also called a type of polymorphism. Here operator overloading are not used because Java does not use a memory allocations. Features like malloc, calloc and realloc functions. It has a garbage collector systems. Without pointer, Java has a memory allocations. Java has some certain features that makes popular of this programming language. Java is a simple programming language. Simple means the syntax of Java programming language are similar to C and C++. The next feature is it is a language in which compiler and interpreter both are used. It is an exceptional programming language. Here compiler and interpreter both are used. The next feature is it is object-oriented programming language. So in Java, class and object are used. The definitions of class and objects is similar to C++. Objects is a runtime entities of our programs, and a class is a collection of similar type of objects. Class is a way to bind up data member and member function into a single unit. Compared to C++, C++ is a semi-object oriented programming language. Semi-object oriented programming language means in C++ we can develop or we can modify C programs with minor changes or no changes. But in Java, every programs in Java everything's in class and objects. Here, without class and objects, we cannot develop some programs. The next feature says it is a robust programming language. Robust programming language means it is a language which have a security, tight securities, which have a two-layer programmings. That means it is a robust programming language. The next feature is multi-threaded. It is a multi-threaded programming language. Thread means a small programs, and multi-threaded means more than one programs are executed simultaneously at a times. It is a portables programs. And the next features we discuss. It is the performance of these programs is high performance programs. It is a distributed programming language. The dynamic programming language, it is a dynamic in nature. Java programs can link a new libraries, object, methods, or these are the common features of Java programming language. Compared to C++ से यदि कंपेयर किया जाए जावा प्रोग्राम्स को, तो जनरली C++ के जो कुछ फीचर्स हैं, लाइक जैसे C++ में ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग का कंसेप्ट होता था, तो जावा में ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग का कंसेप्ट नहीं होता है. C++ में जो हम लोग इनहेरिटेंस का कंसेप्ट देखे थे, जिसमें सिंगल इनहेरिटेंस होता है, इसमें आप मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस होता था, मल्टी लेवल इनहेरिटेंस है, हिरार्चिकल इनहेरिटेंस होता है, हाइब्रिड इनहेरिटेंस होता था. जावा में जनरली आपका मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस नहीं होता है. इन प्लेस ऑफ मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस हियर, इन प्लेस ऑफ मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस a new features are added. A new features यहाँ ऐड किया गया है, और that is called a new features is added. New features is added. Thus, in Java, the programs